Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kimchi using an easy method. First, choose a fresh Napa cabbage, ideally weighing 2 to 3 pounds. Cut it into 2-inch pieces, ensuring uniform size for consistent salting. Generously salt the cabbage and let it sit for 1 to 2 hours. This draws out moisture. Afterwards, rinse the cabbage thoroughly under cold water and squeeze out any excess liquid. Now, let's prepare the flavorful kimchi paste. You'll need fresh garlic, ginger, and vibrant green onions. The key spice is Korean chili flakes, or gochugaru, which gives kimchi its signature color and heat. Incorporate fish sauce for umami and a touch of sugar to balance the flavors. A small amount of glutinous rice flour paste helps bind everything together. With your paste ready, combine all the ingredients in a large bowl. Now, add the prepared cabbage and mix everything thoroughly, ensuring each piece is coated. It's a good idea to wear gloves to protect your hands from the chili. Once mixed, pack the kimchi tightly into a clean, airtight jar, pressing down to remove air pockets. Leave about 1 inch of headspace. After packing, let your kimchi ferment at room temperature for 1 to 2 days. You'll notice small bubbles and a slightly sour smell, indicating fermentation has begun. Once fermented, transfer the jar to your refrigerator. Kimchi can be enjoyed right away, or you can let it age for a few weeks for a more complex, deeper flavor. It's a versatile side dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.